another video. In today's video, we're going to do a nice sweet treat. We're going to do some nice pumpkin cinnamon rolls. Now, I think to give the flavor of to bring up the flavor of the pumpkin, we're going to use clove, also cinnamon and nutmeg and ginger, and I think to complement it even better, we're going to use some nice cranberries. Now stick around, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this quick and easy video. First thing first, we want to bloom our yeast. So we're going to use a little bit of sugar in our milk, and I'm using the soy milk. You don't want the yeast to have direct contact with the salt, right? All your ingredients will be listed in the description box below. As usual, I'm going to put this to bloom up. And now you can notice that, guess what? Look at that. It started to bloom up already. So we're going to leave it for like 10 minutes or so and come right back to it. In our dry ingredients here, we have all-purpose flour. And I'm going to flavor it too, as opposed to just flavoring the filling. Still want to flavor the dough, right? So we're going to use a bit of everything in the dough and leave some for the filling. I think all of these flavors really and truly come together and make the cinnamon roll flavorful. Alright, so at this point we're going to combine the pumpkin and all of our liquid ingredients together. This is a nice pumpkin I got from my neighbor, guys, and I said, how can I use it? Because now I'm getting pumpkin from everybody. So guess what? Me just said I'm gonna make some pumpkin cinnamon roll and try to utilize all the pumpkin that I have here. My milk. And butter. And to make the puree, all I did was to boil the pumpkin and then blend it. Alright, so you can gradually combine everything together. Flavor that hit my face already, guys. Phenomenal. And you want to create like a nice smooth dough. And remember not to get your milk too hot. You want to get it nice and lukewarm. What I'm doing, I just combining all of the ingredients together before I start using my hand. Because you can't use a spoon to knead the dough all together, right? So you can just fold it out now on the on your work surface. And we want to knead this dough until it's nice and smooth. You can sprinkle some flour to not let the dough stick on your surface. And you want to knead this for around 10 minutes or so to get a nice smooth dough, right? And remember, the butter works as a tenderizer for this pastry. Alright, now that we get the dough in the texture that we like, is recommended, that is, we're going to put it to rise in a grease bowl for an hour. You can cover it and leave it, alright? Okay, guys, while our dough is still rising, we're going to cream together the sugar and butter. This is to make our filling. Nutmeg and salt. The clove. We have your ginger powder. Cinnamon powder. Alright guys, this is literally after 1 hour and 15 minutes. Sprinkle some flour on your surface just the same. We're gonna get rolling, guys. Adding our filling now, which consists of all the lovely spice. And the knife I'm using is a serrated knife, right? Bread knife. You don't want to put them too close to each other. You want to give room. This is all I got. What you want to do now is to cover it for 15 minutes before you add it to the oven. Alright guys, these are finished baking and I just take out this one out the oven. As soon as you take it out of the oven, please cover it with a damp kitchen towel. This is just to keep it soft and nice, right? So let us eat one now. Guys, this one is still hot. Not gonna lie to you, but I wanted you to see how nice and soft the texture is. Beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh. Now if this rocks your boat, you can do it. I don't like a lot of sweet stuff, but this is glazed from icing sugar and some of the milk. You can just drizzle it over it. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this recipe and I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, bye.